Kirkland's Life Care Nursing Center remains the epicenter of the outbreak here in Washington. And tonight, families of patients tell KIRO 7 they saw illness spreading there weeks ago, long before anyone was quarantined. KIRO 7's Gary Horker is live there right now. Gary, they believe people started getting sick a month ago.
Seems like a long time ago, right, Monique? That's when most of the world experts thought most of the coronavirus cases were all confined to China, specifically Wuhan, right? Well, the man you're about to hear from had a loved one who was a patient here at the Life Care Center in Kirkland for a long time. She became sick weeks ago and tested today positive for coronavirus. He asked us not to identify him or his loved one. As more patients were being removed from the Life Care Center tonight, the man who asked us not to show you his face told us he noticed an illness was spreading among the patients and at least one staff member a month ago.
Respiratory illness has been prevalent inside Life Care for over the last 4 weeks, and no one was being notified.
Are you convinced that they knew something was happening here and they didn't take proactive measures fast enough?
Absolutely. I have never been notified by Life Care that she had any respiratory illnesses.
He told me he visited his loved one weeks ago and wondered why she wasn't being taken to a hospital. 10 days ago, she was transported and it was very serious.
And she was diagnosed when she went to the hospital with pneumonia.
And he says she tested positive for coronavirus today. Were you worried that you were going to test positive just by being in there?
Still worried.
He's worried because he tested negative, but his test results say, quote, negative results do not preclude 2019 novel coronavirus infection, and it should not be used as the sole basis for treatment. You're going to get tested again?
I think I have to.
Susan Haley's a Life Care patient who told her daughter she's afraid to be here.
She told me yesterday that she felt like she was being held at gunpoint, that they're keeping her here until she's super sick. So she's scared. She's frustrated.
Today, KIRO 7 relayed those concerns about Life Care to the governor.
Can you ask the state to step in to help?
Well, we are, to the extent humanly possible.
And back live here from the Life Care Center, the Department of Health ordered 2 of its doctors to come in here tonight, and they said it was, quote, to see what was going on because they are hearing from so many patients' families. Tomorrow, the CDC will send an entire team in here, and they are expected to go to work for at least the next week. Monique?
Gary, desperation and confusion there, levels that we can't even understand. You're also finding out doctors from the CDC will be trying to figure out a timeline. Then you can actually match that up, see if it jives with what they told you, that it goes back all the way to the beginning of February.
Right. Think of them as epidemiologists and also as detectives, because the first thing they're going to try and find out is who is patient 0, who came in here from the outside maybe 4 or 5 weeks ago, visited somebody in there, and then started this outbreak. They're going to be documenting why those people weren't quarantined. They're going to be taking a lot of lessons away from here. And the CDC also has the authority at the federal level to start making changes in here to save the lives of the patients and staff who are not currently affected. Back to you.